Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a line chart in Excel. So this is what a line chart looks like. It represents your data in a linear format for you to see in a very easy and visual manner. And let's try to reduce the answer over here and make it 800,000. To see how a dip would look like, this is how a dip would look like. So this is a line chart. It's very easy to make. Let me tell you how to delete one first. So you click on the chart and press delete. It's gone. Now to create a line chart, you simply select your data, go to insert, go to the line chart option over here and choose a line chart. And here's your line chart ready for you. You can customize it by clicking over here and going to design. And you can first of all see all these new options. These themes are pre-built. Over here you can go to format and you can do wonders over here. You can fill in colors, have those effects and all those things over here. So this is how you create a line chart. You can actually also go to quick layout and have those layouts mentioned over here. See, a very easy thing. You can do more customization by clicking over here, style, colors. You can choose colors from here. You can have this one, an orange, a yellow, a gray, depending upon your choice. You can have values, names. You can work on them over here. This sales can be renamed to anything. Target versus sales or performance, whatever. A very easy thing to do. Very important chart. Very good to use. So this is how you make a line chart in Excel. See you in the next video.